Hey everybody, welcome back to Maverick How To. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Wolfsnout brand fuel access cover on this 2025 Polaris RZR Pro XP Ultimate. We're going to go through the install. We're going to let you see what is involved in the packaging, what tools you'll need. It's a pretty simple deal, so let's get at it and see what it looks like. So first thing that we're going to do here is you can see now there's already a cutout. Well, that's what this is for the template. And you're going to want to peel and you're going to stick this on here like so. As you can see, you want to try to keep it where it's at the flat point on both sides. You don't want it to be rolling up like that. That's not what we're going for. We got to keep it right in the center. And then ride it out a little bit, about right in there is what you're looking for. Now, it doesn't have to be 100% perfect, as there is adjustment in the screws and also adjustment in the actual magnet itself. So keep that in mind, that you're going to try to get it pretty close, but you will have some wiggle room. That is what it looks like you want to do there. Now you're going to want to mark these holes here with a pencil. And then that's going to be where we're putting our screws at. You'll take the contents out here. You don't need the black screw here yet. So you're going to save that. These are the two screws you'll be putting in here and here. That will hold this on. Now, see, this isn't going to work this way. It's going to be like that. What I'd like to do here is get it started. Well, we're going to take the magnet mount here. Like I said, there is some wiggle room here for adjustment. So don't stress out. So you're just going to get till it gets snug. Doesn't take very much. Okay, now we're going to do the test with this. Now, it's important to know that when you put this on, this is a very strong magnet. You're going to hear a loud click, as you can see here. All right. Now, it needs adjustment somewhat. As you can see, it's a little bit loose at the bottom. But what we're going to do is it comes with a screw, the first one there I showed you. We're going to put that in on here. It kind of catches it to keep it from kicking out. But that loud noise that you hear, that's what you want. You got to go about 5/8 from the edge here in. That's where your ideal point is to put that screw straight down. And also the same, you're not going to be running it in and stripping it, not over tighten it. If you're wondering how to get this 5/8 in, if you use one of these rollers, it makes it nice. You can get it in there a lot easier than a tape measure. It shows putting it about right in here. I know it's hard to see, but pretty much going to go in right where the QR code is. Well, I would say you drop in the bottom first. That's what you want right there. So now, there is adjustment in here if you need to. you go to put some fuel in. Everything fits right down in there easily. This is not in the way. Tighten her up. The only thing is, make sure you don't leave this cap behind when you're at a gas station. So my advice, when you take it off, put it inside the cab. You won't forget it there. If you throw it in the bed or something, you might take off, you might forget it. Boom. As long as you hear that loud snapping noise, you know that there is a firm grasp on the plate and you're good to go. So I think it looks awesome, and I hope this video helps everybody. Special thanks out to Tim at Wolfsnout for providing this part to make this video. He is really good to get a hold of if you have any questions. Very easy to talk to, and we really appreciate him and his time working with Maverick how-to. So highly recommend this product to keep the dirt out of your gas cap area. Said you're going to get a little bit of water, of course, but this should keep a very large percentage of it out to keep any dirt from getting down in your tank when you're putting fuel in. So it's Maverick how-to saying thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you out on the trails.